Introduce yourself.
My name is NarmathanVelummylum. I go to North Carolina State University, and I'm an upcoming senior in computer science.
Why did you choose the REU program in wireless ad hoc networks and sensor networks at Jackson State University?
Well, actually, my dad sent me an email about it because he was a chair of the Department of Math and Computer Science, and Dr. Meghanathan sent him an email to tell the students about it, and he just happened to forward it to me, and I read about it, and it seemed interesting. I figured I wanted to get some research experience.
Now you are on fourth week. How do you feel is the program going so far?
I think the program's going well. I've progressed pretty far in my research project, and I haven't had any problems. I've gained some research experience as well as enjoyed developing my research.
What are your career goals, and how do you see the REU program at Jackson State University will contribute towards your career goal?
Well, after I get my undergraduate degree in computer science, I'm planning on working in the field for a good amount of time. But after that, I want to go back to graduate school and for computer science, and eventually become a professor and do research as well. So I feel that will help me in terms of learning how to research methodologies.
Okay. What you feel about the mentoring experience you have received so far, and do you want any changes in the way you are being mentored?
I haven't had any complaints as far as mentoring goes. Anytime I had a problem or needed something explained, I usually got assistance from my mentor, so I wouldn't change anything about that.
Okay. In a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being poor and 5 being excellent, how strong do you feel in the area of wireless ad hoc networks and sensor networks?
I'd say 3.5, but if you're looking for a number, 4, I guess.
What you consider are the plus points of this REU program, and you consider its minus points, if any?
Well, I'd say the pros are that I'm gaining some research experience, and also not just the experience itself, but being able to write like technical papers to be able to present my research, which is something that I haven't done commonly up till now. So I learned how to do that, and that's as far as cons go. Also another pro actually is the fact that now we actually are in a lab from 9 to 5 working on just programming, versus up till now in my undergraduate career I've been programming on my own time, on my own terms. It's a little different when you're just sitting from 9 to 5 programming. It took a little while to get used to, but...
What you consider are the plus points of the REU program, what you consider are its minus points, if any?
Alright. Well, as far as the pluses go, the fact that I've gotten some experience in learning how to research and research methodologies, and also presenting my research as far as writing technical papers, because up till now I haven't normally written technical papers on presenting my research, so it's beneficial in that sense, and that's pretty much it. As far as cons go, I can't really think of any, because this is what I was expecting out of a research experience.
You have started to code for your research project. How do you compare the coding experience with the other programming projects you have done so far in your career?
I'd say my research project, as far as the coding goes, I would say it's not too different from what I've done up till now. Like as far as development, as far as programming logic and programming concepts, a lot of them that I've been learning in my undergraduate career up till now, all of them apply, and I've been using them to implement my research. But I mean, there's a few things that are different. I've been using some data structures that I don't normally use, such as tree maps, but that's minor, and it hasn't been too different.
Thank you.